Hey everybody, welcome back to another shop update. We're just going to give you a little quick tour around the shop, show you what we've been working on the last few weeks. Starting off in the front here, we got a little tiny Austin Healy. We're just building a quick little roll bar for it. Guy's going to be doing some autocrossing with that. And then here we have the 64. We finished up the firewall on that as well. Got that all welded in. We're working on some interior pieces, and then we'll get the cab back on, and then we're going to finalize the bed. So we did move some stuff around. Got some bars here that we were notching. Welding up some Super Duty air suspension kits here. We got our buddy Mikey from Shop Truck Mafia helping us out, welding up some Super Duty kits. Got a couple of those orders going out. Then we got Lee's 66C10 here. We finally finished up the firewall on that and the inner fenders. We still need to finish up a front panel piece here, but there will be a video dropping on all the fabrication on the wheel tubs and everything on that, so stay tuned. And then we're gonna work on getting this thing fired up. Right now we're just going through some wiring, mounting the coil packs in the computer, get the AC mounted, getting all the electronics figured out. Like I said, we're gonna get that fired up. May or may not start on the bed, so we'll see on that. Then we got good old Jolene here. Just putting some final touches on this thing. Gonna get this thing ready to be roadworthy. We did finish up the braking system here. We got our new HD manual braking conversion kit, which is a manual brake conversion kit for big stuff. You know, running these big giant Willwood brakes. Running a slightly bigger pedal, running a 10-to-1 ratio pedal, so that way we make sure that this girl stops. And running big reservoirs as well, and big master cylinders. They're each 1.1 inch, so normally you'll see 1.1 inch on just one master cylinder tandem, so you got basically one for each axle, so it'll stop pretty good. If you notice, we did move the van inside, and we are slowly working away on that. We got our LS swap, just working on a few things with this. And then for the square body, we did get the upgraded turbo installed and the CP3 conversion, if you can sort of see anything like that. We're just waiting on some tuning to get this thing fired up, and then once we make some room, we'll get this thing back into rotation. But well, there's a little quickie for you, just a quick little update of what we got going on. I appreciate everybody watching and checking us out, and stay tuned for more content. We'll see you later.